Good afternoon, everyone. It's a Wednesday afternoon, June 12th, looking at heavy, very active severe weather to our north. We're really not going to get much of any of this. In fact, no real rain is forecast along this weather system, but it sure looks interesting to our northeast. Look at all this activity that has just now started. I'm recording this about 10 minutes after 4. The various purple outlined areas and also pink outlined areas are where the Storm Prediction Center is warning of impending severe weather. And there's already a significant tornado watch outlined in purple. They had to adjust that this afternoon because thunderstorms erupted, I think, a little more to the east than they thought, affecting central Illinois. Now you can see right there a couple of tornado warnings, one near Rockford and another one approaching DeKalb. My alma mater of Northern Illinois University is up there. We'll see what happens with that storm. There are chasers up there and some good programs, and we'll see if those folks can watch the storm carefully here this evening. Otherwise, this is an entire area of just a cauldron of thunderstorms, which will extend as the night progresses all the way on down the line here. In fact, this is expected to be a significant wind event eventually, so these individual cells will congeal into something resembling a Boeing segment, and if it lasts a certain number of hours, it falls into the criteria derecho, which is a long-lived wind event, which is just one big Boeing segment. If you recall, back in 2009, the Ozarks had almost the mother of all derechos come to town one morning. If you recall that, 17 tornadoes, I believe, with that, and 90-mile-per-hour non-thunderstorm winds. So that's what they're looking at. What are we looking at? Well, we're really just going to see a weak cool front move through tomorrow morning, and that is about it for us, bringing temperatures down and also the humidity down a little bit. Let's take a look at those storms in northern Illinois. We already had a funnel cloud report there near Harmon, and other storms are developing. By the way, there's the Chicagoland area right there, so they're definitely under the gun from, let's say, Milwaukee on down to Chicago, and later on down into the southern suburbs of Chicago, and on into Illinois, Indiana eventually with those storms. Pretty severe stuff up that way as we look at that. Now, we don't really have any rain chances with this particular system, but if I take a look at this for a second, this right here is the latest projection from the Weather Prediction Center. This is Saturday through Monday rainfall projections. You can see upstate we're looking at possibly as much as 1.5 inches to 2 inches of rain that would fall very close to portions of the Ozarks, tapering off quite a bit as you go into northern Arkansas, but that's still a healthy dose of rain for June. We'll take it. And getting into the middle part of June, that's a great shot in the arm for rainfall. So what about the hot temperatures? Can we expect those to hang around? Let's take a look at the latest loop here. This is the GFS 500 millibar, roughly the jet stream look here. And let's just start this and stop it for a second. First of all, that right there, that wave, is what's going to keep the thunderstorms rocking and rolling into the nighttime hours and into the northeast tomorrow. Severe weather for them, too. We will see the cold front drive through here as a result of that wave passing in the upper atmosphere. If we go into the weekend, we've got to build up a little bit here on, let's stop it on Saturday. There we go. Trying to build up. But we also have a little disturbance there that could spark showers and thunderstorms scattered on Saturday. And I think more healthy chances exist when that wave goes through right there. That would be Sunday and early on Monday before that all clears the area. So here's the 7-day forecast. A tad cooler tomorrow, high 85. Overnight low still 70, but then we'll see the cooling effects in the morning. By Friday morning, 64. We'll make a run at getting hot on Saturday, but that 89 may be too hot if the showers and thunderstorms really percolate that day. Best chance for rain probably late Sunday and early Monday. That's your extended weather report. If you want to monitor that severe weather event, just go to the Pan and Zoom radar on ozarksweather.com in northern Illinois, northern Indiana, and the Chicagoland area over the next several hours.